Hello everyone, I'm Reuben with AJA Technical Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure a bridge live for an all-IP workflow. We'll take an incoming SRT feed, transcode it to RTMP for delivery to a content server or CDN, all without the need to convert the IP stream to baseband video. Let's dive in. From the dashboard, click Add New Pipeline to begin. On the input side, we will select MPEG-TS over SRT from the drop-down menu. And next, we configure the SRT mode. You have two primary options here depending on your source. Listener mode. If the remote source is sending the stream to us, we select listener and define the port, for example 5050, that we want to receive the stream on. And caller mode. If we need to reach out to a remote server to pull the stream, we would select caller and enter the remote IP and port. For this demo, we will use listener mode. We select our network card, and the IP address is auto-filled. And for this demo, we'll use port 5050. We also need to set the SRT latency. This is the buffer time allowed for recovering lost packets. A setting of 200 to 500 milliseconds is typical for internet connections to ensure smooth playback. Now, click Start Detecting Input. Once the connection is established and you see the stream properties appear in the UI, click Set as Input. The system now automatically populates the codec, resolution, and frame rate settings to match your incoming SRT stream exactly, ensuring the transcoder is perfectly aligned with the source. Now, let's configure the delivery. Click Add Output Stream to create a new transcoder within this pipeline. For this workflow, we will select RTMPS as our stream type. This supports both standard RTMP and secure RTMPS, which is required by platforms like Facebook. In the Stream Destinations area, we configure each destination for this video stream. Additional destinations will consume more bandwidth, but they do not need to retranscode the video. For this example, we just need to enter the destination URL. This is typically provided by your CDN or streaming platform like YouTube Studio. And it looks like this. You will also append your unique stream key from your provider to the end of this URL. This identifier tells the platform exactly where the feed should go. For the video configuration, we typically use H.264 for RTMP compatibility. You can customize the bitrate and frame size here. For example, if you were downscaling a 4K SRT input to a 1080p stream for the web, you would set the frame size to 1920 by 1080 and the bitrate to a standard range like 4 to 6 megabits per second. Next, we must configure the audio. Many RTMP platforms require AAC audio and will reject the stream if it contains other formats or is missing audio. We click Change Audio Mapping, add an output audio stream, then select your source channels, and ensure the audio codec is set to AAC, specifically AAC-LC or AAC-ADTS. A sample rate of 44.1 or 48 kilohertz is standard. And we'll go ahead and save this configuration. Now, with our IP source and IP destination configured, click Save and Restart. Now, watch the status circles to the left of the pipeline. After a moment of startup, the left side turns green when the SRT feed is successfully received and decoded, and the right side turns green when the bridge live successfully handshakes with the RTMP server and begins uploading the stream. And if I switch over to VLC Player, which is connected to the feed from my local RTMP server, I see that the video has arrived. And there you have it. We are now receiving a high-quality SRT contribution feed and transcoding it directly to RTMPS for our audience, all within the IP domain. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.